understanding, to summarize, enhancing your English skills. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very useful phrase, to summarize. This expression is a key tool in both speaking and writing in English, helping you to concisely convey your thoughts. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. To summarize is a phrase used when you want to give a brief statement of the main points of something. It's like condensing a large amount of information into a few key points. This is especially helpful in conversations, presentations, or writing, where you need to convey the essence of a topic without going into too much detail. 1. In writing. When writing essays, reports, or even emails, to summarize can help you to conclude a long argument or discussion. It signals that you are presenting the core ideas in a shortened form. 2. In speech. In conversations or speeches, using to summarize helps you recap what has been said. It's a great way to remind listeners of the main points, especially after a lengthy discussion. Example in writing. To summarize, the three main benefits of regular exercise are improved health, increased energy levels, and mental well-being. Example in speech. So, to summarize our meeting, we've agreed to increase the marketing budget and launch the new campaign next month. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, to summarize. Remember, it's a powerful tool to make your communication in English more effective and concise. Practice using it in your daily conversations and writing. Until next time, keep learning and keep summarizing.